Hello, welcome to Clooper, and today I'm showing you how to make an assisted accommodation booking. From your dashboard, you come here and you click send a request. Once that is done, you input the location of your choice. Let's say you want an apartment in London. Then you input your phone number, then the amount of people you want in the apartment. Let's say you want three adults, one child. Then how many rooms? Let's say you want two different rooms. Then your check-in and your check-out date. Then your max nightly budget. Let's say you don't want to go more than 100 per night. Then any additional information you can say, I want my accommodation to come with breakfast, swimming pool, and gym. Then you go ahead and submit. Once this is done, our customer experience officer will reach out.